Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to replace your spark plugs and your coil wires for your 2005 Hyundai Tiburon. This is a 4-cylinder engine. Alright, let's jump into it. Let's go to the tools. So I'll be using a NGK wire set. I'm gonna change the wire also, and this is the stock number and the part number. It's made in Japan. I'll be using the NGK Iridium IX spark plugs, and this is the part number right here. Okay, because I like NGKs because I like Iridium. They're kind of expensive, but they last a long time. Because I change my spark plugs every 50,000 miles, and I'll be using a gapping tool to gap your spark plugs. The gap will be 0.44. I'll be using a Honda lithium dielectric grease for the wires so it won't seize up, and I'll be using also a copper anti-seize for the spark plug, so in the future it's easy to take it out. And the tools we'll be using a 5/8 spark plug socket and a 3/8 ratchet and extension. And first we're gonna remove this remove the engine cover. I think it's 10. Remove this all. 1 2 3 4. Alright guys, after removing the engine cover, this is how the engine look like. So this is your cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4. This is a 4-cylinder. So I just take one by one, like one at a time, so I know which cord is going to. So it's pretty nice and easy laid out. So I just like remove this one. Be careful, kind of hot. Engine's hot. Engine's kind of warm. Just twist it and raise it up. Should remove it. All right, you just raise it up, and just unlock. Easy. Okay, and the next part, I'm gonna gap my spark plugs to 0.44. There's my spark plug right here, and I'm gonna gap the spark plugs to 0.44. Alright, here's my gap tool. So I'm not sure it's already pre-gap, but I will double check it just to make sure. This is my gap tool. It's easy. You just roll the spark plug here, there, and 0.44. It's very easy. Alright, and after you gap the spark plug to 0.044, I like to put some anti-copper seal on this thread right here before I install it to the engine. It helps the thread won't like oxidize, get rusted, and it's hard to take it out. It's gonna help you not gonna retread the spark plug thread. Alright, if you see, I put some copper anti-seized on the threads, and it's already also pre-gap, also gap it to 0.44. This is ready to go to the engine. This is how you do it, right? Don't skip any step, because it's gonna hard in the future if you need to replace your spark plug again. So next, I used to take out the spark plug one by one at a time, and put the new cable one at a time, so much easier, so you won't get confused. Alright, let's take it out. It's just kind of tight, but it's easy to take out. Alright, I took out all the spark plugs, and this why you change your spark plug every 50,000 miles. You see this spark plug right here? This one is sharper on the tip, and the other one, the tip, it's flat, like no tip at all. That's why you get those misfires and stuff. So this one's also flat, no tip, and this one is still a bit of a tip, and also this one. Yep. and that's why you put I put copper anti-seize on it, because of the thread. It get rusted and dry. That's why you that's why you change your spark plug every 50,000 miles on your car. It'll save it will perform better, save more gas mileage, improve gas mileage in your car. And this is like the terminals also. That's why I put the Honda dialect grease in it on the terminals. So see that? It's greasy. All right. I'm finishing it up. I'm gonna change all the. I'm gonna put all in all the spark plugs, the new spark plugs, and I'm gonna change all this wire set on the spark plug. Alright, I just like to drop the spark plug here one at a time. This is just like hand tied it. I don't have a, yeah, I just drop it in slowly and just drop it, just turn it, and you just do a quarter turn and that's it. It doesn't need to be so snug to the spark plug because the heat expands the spark plug call it thread and stuff. So just do the turn, that's it. Two. See, like that, and that's it. That's it tight. So easy to turn now because you put like copper seal in it. Anti-seize helps lubricate the threads and also give protection too. So alright, so next part, we're gonna put some lithium dialect grease on the terminals, including this one. So it helps make it more lubrication in it, and also keep out water inside it too. So just dab a Q-tip on this lithium dialect grease, and we're gonna put one at a time. This one right here, the terminals, these terminals, also this one also inside the terminals. It really helps absorb the moisture of any moisture, and also in the next future to take it out, it won't get stuck. Alright, it's time to put the wires for the plug. As you see, it's all numbered, like this was 4, so this one is number 4 also right here. It's number 4, and it goes to right here. It's number 4, and number 2, it goes to number 2. It's all number 2. Number 3, this is number 3. So this is number 3 right here. See, this is number 3. It's so easy, so you can't mess it up. Okay, and we're almost done with the installation. Alright guys, the install is complete. This is how they look like. So this is cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4, cylinder 1. Alright guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any question, please leave a comment. If you like the video, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.